Turn back the clock on your hands. 5 DIY skincare hacks. Are your hands showing signs of aging? Here are 5 simple, affordable DIY skincare hacks to keep them looking youthful and radiant. Exfoliate your hands by mixing 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently rub the mixture onto your hands in circular motions for 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This removes dead skin cells and leaves your hands smooth and refreshed. Brighten dark spots with a combination of 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the mixture to the backs of your hands, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse. Lemon helps lighten skin, while honey provides hydration. For deep hydration, apply coconut oil generously to your hands before bed and wear cotton gloves overnight. Coconut oil repairs and moisturizes your skin, leaving it soft and nourished by morning. Soak your hands in warm milk for 10 minutes to strengthen nails and soften skin. Lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates, and its natural fats moisturize deeply. Make an anti-aging hand mask by mashing 1 tablespoon of avocado, adding 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, and mixing in 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply this mask to your hands for 15 minutes and rinse. The vitamins and antioxidants in this mask improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles.